I'm a Belgian superhero. I'm obsessed with the Great Barrier Reef, and you will see why. It's my soulmate. We have a connection. This is my favorite song. I practice it 20 times a day. Let's see what else we have. I like to fish, but I'm sick of not having fishes in this sea. Me gusta coger las pescados, pero aquí no hay bonitas. Quiero ir al otro lado del mundo. Ciao. I love my turtles. I know how to take care of the turtles. The most beautiful place in the earth. With the money from the job, I will build a school.